Hello everyone, welcome to this most exciting lesson by Mutahwani. In today's lesson we are going to learn about Form 3 Combined Science Chapter 1. Cells and levels of organization, structure and function of a cell, objectives of the topic. By the end of the topic you should be able to identify specialized cells, draw and label specialized cells, state the function of specialized cells, use a microscope to observe a cell structure. Identifying specialized cells. We have got plant and animal cells, of which in animal cells we have got red blood cells, and these are red blood cells. We also have muscle cells, of which it is categorized into skeletal muscle cells, which are normally found in the hand or legs or any flesh attached to the bones. And we have got the smooth muscle cells, which are normally found in the whole organs of the body, such as the stomach, the blood vessels. We also have what we call the cardiac muscle cell, which is only found in the heart. Moving on to the plant cells, we have got the Palisade cells. These are Palisade cells. We also have what we call the spongy mesophyll cell, and these are the spongy mesophyll cell. We also have what we call the root hair cells, and these are the root hair cells. We have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for joining Mugombi Online School. Please invite your friends to join. The website is mugombionlineschool.com. See you in the next lesson.